In this video, I'm going to show you how to treat your sunburn, chronic sunburn or minor sunburn using a facial mask and a facial cream that's going to clear your sunburn in 7 days. Trust me, lovies, I say 7 days. I'm going to show you the basics and every step and everything you need to do to get rid of your sunburn. So stay tuned. Hello lovelies, welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews and a natural remedy. Is it your first time on my channel? You are absolutely welcome, and if you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How you all doing? So lovelies, today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of sunburn or how to cure your sunburn. Now, I know a whole lot of you will say DIYs on skincare does not work on a dark skin person or African American skin person. Well, today I'm going to prove you wrong that DIYs actually work, okay? If you take your time, you do the right stuff, know the things that you're doing wrong and know the things that you're doing right, do the right things, they do work, like they work wonders. It's just that most of us Nigerians, or let me say black people, most of us are not patient, okay? We're not patient enough. We need something that will work fast. And at the end of the day, we doing stuff that work fast will take us to the same road over and over again. You get rid of sunburn this week and automatically the next week you get another sunburn. Okay, most of you are wondering why you're having that, and I'm going to explain everything in this video. So the first thing I want to talk about is the causes of sunburn. Okay, here in Nigeria, here in Africa, most sunburn cases that I've treated, okay, that I've been seeing, that I've seen, are caused by harsh chemicals. Okay, harsh creams, and when you expose your skin to the sun, you get burnt. Okay, your skin get damaged, and some are caused naturally by the sun. Okay, I know all of you will also say that I've been saying pro mix products to get rid of sunburn. Yes, there is pro mix products to get rid of sunburn, but yes, there are some people that are actually out there that want a natural remedy and stuff that they can make at home to get rid of your sun. With the DIY I'm about to show you, you're gonna get rid of your sunburn at home on your own without asking for help from any skincare therapist or any skincare formulator. You're going to do this on your own by yourself, and you're going to see a very great result. You will love the result if you are consistent. If you are patient enough to wait, you're going to see a great result from this. Okay, and from the recipe also, if you have chronic sunburn, those kind of chronic sunburn, which I'm going to put a pic right here on the screen for you to see, you can get rid of this with your chronic sunburn. And if you have a minor sunburn, the minor sunburn is very fast to get rid of, the minor sunburn. But the ones that are chronic, will take you some time to get rid of. Let's say 2 weeks to 3 weeks maximum for you to get rid of that sun. So the first step to getting rid of your sunburn is for you to protect your skin. Protecting your skin is the number one key. Okay, number one thing you should do when you're going out in the sun. Protecting of your skin is by protecting your skin with sunscreen. Okay, protect your skin with sunscreen. Okay, always wear sunscreen from SPF 40 and above. I repeat, wear a sunscreen from SPF 40 and above. And always reapply your sunscreen every 3 to 4 hours, depending on the time that is written on your sunscreen. I know it's very hard for those that sweat a lot to apply sunscreen. Me, for one, I sweat a lot, so applying sunscreen might be hard, because if I apply sunscreen, I'm going to sweat it out, which means I'm going to apply over and over and over and over again. Now, after protecting yourself from the sun, you need to treat yourself inside out. Okay, I've seen lots of customers that want natural remedies to get rid of chronic sunburn. Okay, one of them was the reason why I'm making this video right now. Okay, if you have chronic sunburn or you have sunburn, your skin is damaged, okay, you need to treat yourself from inside out. Treating yourself from inside out, I'm not talking about anything that is so extraordinary special. I'm talking about you taking care of your skin by what you eat. Okay, you need to eat lots of colorful fruits, you need to take lots of vitamins, you need to take collagen. If you are taking collagen supplements, good, but if you don't like collagen supplements, please do research on foods that contain collagen, lots of it. Okay, collagen is going to help your skin repair process. Okay, by taking collagen, your skin will respond fast to the treatment you are applying outside. So please, you need to take care of yourself from inside. Treat yourself from inside by eating colorful fruits, take collagen supplements, or eat lots of foods that are very high in collagen or that contain collagen. Another thing for you to check before treating your sunburn, you need to check the basic thing that is really causing that sunburn for you. Okay, the thing that is really causing your sunburn. There are some people, when they use some kind of creams, especially these harsh creams, chemical cream, not only harsh chemical cream. Some people get sunburn by just using high dose of vitamin C on their skin. They get sunburn. So if you know that if you use very high dose of vitamin C on your skin and get sunburn, you need to cut it out. If you know that you are using a new product or a harsh cream, all these are excessive whitening cream that people use, and you use it and you got sunburn, please, you need to stop it before going into your treatment. Before going into this natural remedy treatment that I'm going to show you, have to drop everything immediately. The reason why you need to stop any harsh cream, harsh chemical, anything that is acidic in content before using your sunburn treatment is that whenever you think you've gotten rid of your sunburn, immediately you enter the sun, in 2 hours time you will see sunburn on your face. And that's most of the reason why most people treat sunburn, and they tell you, after treating my sunburn, I have sunburn back in 1 week, I have sunburn back in 2 weeks, my sunburn just keep going, I'm coming. That's because you're using some of those products that actually cause your sunburn. Our face needs stuff that are very mild. Our face needs stuff that are very cool. Okay, you don't need anything that is too harsh on your face. You don't need any acidic content on your face. Okay, so after getting rid of those stuff, you can now go into your treatment properly. Okay, you can go into your treatment, and I'm going to show you the masks that you use right now, and I'll also show you a face cream that you will use, because most of the videos I've seen online, they'll show you masks that you should use. But after the masks, what's next? Are you going to leave your face like that? Are you not going to apply anything on your face? So after your masks, I'm going to show you a face cream that you can make at home with simple ingredients that you can use on your own. And after treating your face, if you are someone that loves whitening, you want to go back to a whitening face cream, please make sure you're using a mild whitening face cream, a face cream that is not too harsh on your face. Your sunburn is not going to come back. Okay, your sunburn is not going to come back. So let's go into the main recipe. So for the recipe, you will need 4 simple ingredients that you can get at home, 4 simple ingredients that you can get in the market or anywhere close to you. You'll be needing milk. Okay, the milk that you need is a milk that does not contain or do not contain sugar, or a milk that does not contain any ingredients whatsoever. You just need a pure milk. You can use goat milk, you can use ram milk, you can use camel milk. As far as it's milk, any nice, even cow milk, you can use cow milk, you can use any nice milk. On this recipe, milk is very important. You're going to use tomatoes. I know all of you will say, tomatoes contain acid. So the reason why I'm using milk is to cool down the acidic content of your tomatoes. And also you're going to use turmeric, and you're going to use honey. So you're going to take these 4 simple ingredients together, and you mix them in a bowl and apply them on your face. Okay, you take the 4 ingredients together, mix them in a bowl. But the bowl must be clean. Okay, must be sterilized, must be clean. Okay, just wash it with warm water or hot water. Your bowl is clean, or your plate or whatever you're going to use is clean. Apply it on your face as a mask and leave it on your skin for 10 to 20 minutes. Please, it should not exceed 20 minutes, not more than 20 minutes. After you've applied your mask and it's up to 20 minutes, you wash it off. Now we're going to talk about the face cream that you're going to apply on your face, because after applying a mask, you're not going to leave your face like that to just dry off. No, you're not going to leave your face like that. So that brings us to the face cream that you'll be applying on your face. Now you're going to get an organic base cream. Making an organic base cream is very simple. Just in case you don't know how to make an organic base cream, you can actually buy a base cream from any skincare vendor. You can buy from us, you can buy from anywhere, because we sell all skincare products. Okay, you can buy from us, you can buy from anywhere. You can get organic skincare base cream. They are very cheap, they are not expensive. So after having your base cream, you're gonna get your miracle powder, which is an organic powder that is made from aloe vera gel and other ingredients. Okay, you're gonna get a miracle powder. You're gonna get your niacinamide powder. Okay, your niacinamide powder is your vitamin B3 powder. You're gonna get your vitamin E oil and your aloe vera gel. Okay, you're gonna get these ingredients, these 5 simple ingredients, and mix it up together. I'm gonna leave the quantity that you'll be needing on the screen for you to see on how to make this face cream. So what you're going to do is, after using your face mask, you wash it off, you pat your face dry or let your face air dry, and you apply this face cream that you're going to make with these 5 simple ingredients on your face. You're going to apply it in the morning and night. And in the morning before entering the sun, make sure you use a sunscreen cream that contains SPF 40 and above. 40 and above. Please, not those white sunscreen, okay, that you after applying it you look like a masquerade. No, apply a transparent sunscreen. I love the Neutrogena sunscreen SPF 70. Though it's a little bit pricey, you can get any SPF that is not that pricey. Okay, you can get an SPF that is not that pricey, and you are good to go. You have to be very patient with this recipe. Treat your face morning and evening for 1 week. You'll see results. 2 weeks, you're going to see a very great result. Alright, ladies, that's the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and hit subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't also forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you in my next one, I always say remain blessed. Bye bye.